Yo, what is going on today, fam? So today we're going to be going over what is the best tool to use to get rid of old decals, adhesive, etc., other things on your car, you know, whatever type of sticky stuff you got up on there without damaging the paint. So not gonna take too much time, but so a lot of people will go to Goo Gone, a lot of people will use some type of window film, adhesive remover, Goo Off, all these other things. And I bought these things initially, but did not get very far in removing these old decals on my truck. And then I found this decal, a removal wheel on Amazon. And the way this works is all you need is a electric drill. You put that bad boy in there and then you just go back and forth on the surface like that. As you can see, I already, you know, I did a little test run already, but you know, I just want to make sure I had an understanding of how it worked before we did the video. So yeah, super duper simple. So pretty much all I need to do is lock it in here, make sure it's good, make sure your battery's charged up because this will use a lot of juice, and then all you want to do is go back and forth like that. You are going to wear a mask with this, and as you see, you kind of just wipe it off like that. It's literally like a magic eraser, and it just goes across this stuff like that. It does make a whole lot of rubber residue, so that's why the mask comes in handy. But I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this and show you guys me getting rid of this decal right here. I got done with the first side, learned a few things along the way, which I'll share with you now. So as you can see, this whole thing was filled with decals here. Now, all those decals are removed. Certain areas you can still see bits and pieces. Like, it's not perfect, but that could be removed with some Goo Gone probably. I could go back over with the wheel. So 2 different wheels came with this kit, and I definitely recommend picking up this kit. So you got the smooth one right here, and then you got that one right here. I noticed this smooth one was good for getting up that last bit of residue and stuff like that, and getting in some of the more hard to reach areas. Another thing is, if you have a big job, a regular battery powered drill is not going to cut it. You'll be days trying to recharge batteries and stuff. They just don't have enough torque. So I definitely recommend getting a corded drill like this one here, just some random one called Drill Master. I just borrowed this from my grandpa, but it will never lose power. So yeah, but moving on to the next side, as you can see, we got this decal to take care of, that decal to take care of, this decal to take care of, this decal to take care of. Then we got some residue just left right here that we're going to clean up also. So I'm going to time lapse that for you guys. Actually, I might just turn the truck around. That'd probably be a little bit easier. So yeah. And without further ado, the final product. Bam. Got all those decals off nice and easy for the most part. There's a little bit of dust cleanup, as you can see, but the good thing is, like, the dust is it's like rubbery dust, so you know it cleans very easy. Like, really nothing that a bit of water or a compressed air couldn't clean up. So that's it right there. I must say this thing did a great job at getting all of this residue off. Towards the end, I've really started to use this one a lot more. You can see this one's a lot more worn than the other one, but I feel like this one was just better at getting everything off quicker. So that was super dope. I think this kit was like a little bit under $20 on Amazon. Maybe it was a little bit over $20. I think I bought like one of the packages with a little bit of damage, but either way, great product. If you guys have decals or adhesive residue to remove from like any metal surface, I would definitely recommend picking up one of these decal remover kits. And like I said before, the link will be in the description. Take it easy.
Coach.